I am Gene Christian, and I am a volunteer, as we all are, with the Flagship Detroit Foundation. And the pilot actually flying this leg is Steve Jacobson, and the co-pilot on this leg will be Zane Limmerman. Both of them have been chief pilots at American Airlines.
Now this is the oldest DC-3 flying?
This is the oldest DC-3 still flying. There are two that are older, one in a museum in Oregon under the wing of the Spruce Goose. The other one is in Opelika, Florida, hopefully to be restored to sleeper category, which is what it was originally. It was a Douglas Sleeper Transport, a DST.
Now the engines on this?
The engines on this airplane are Wright Cyclones. Most of the airliners were Wright Cyclones. Most of the military airplanes were Pratt & Whitney Twin Wasp. There was cross-pollination between both families, but for the most part, Airlines did the Cyclone.
And each cylinder here?
It's a 1,200 horsepower engine with 9 cylinders. And the way I remember the old math, it was 135 horsepower per cylinder.
Per cylinder, wow. Sure was great having you here.
Well, we love creating smiles, which is what I see right there. And that's the purpose of this airplane, is to travel the country and make smiles.
Well, you're doing a great job. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.